Don't waste the electricity.
Why should I save the electricity if everybody in the world doesn't save it?
Wasting energy is wasting the resource of another Earth. Did you know so much people were suffocated and the lack of
How much electricity could we possibly waste? There must be somebody to help us turn off the light.
Mr. Pang?
What has brought you here?
Jiaxuan and Yuqian were being irresponsible because they don't want to switch off the light and thinking the impact of it was tiny to our Mother Earth.
I should teach them an unforgettable lesson. I will tell you anytime soon if my plan was ready. Oh, this is my idea. And these are the materials that were required. The wood planks were used to build a stable stand to avoid some unnecessary accidents. The rubber belts transfer the motion from the bicycle wheel to the motor, and recycled bicycle can provide the human power motion. The light bulb lights up to show the electricity generated, of course. Of course, we cannot lose this motor from a recycled fan because it converts motion into electricity. When the rider pedals the bicycle, the rear wheel turns, rotating the motor through a rubber drive wheel. The motor generates electricity, which flows through wires to light up the bulb.